reasoning at scale built on Gemini 3.5. So what we do here, how will the population react? This type of question is very expensive. You typically had a market research firm, 25K, 6 weeks, narrow demographics. Prediction market, slow to settle. Consultant opinion, not reproducible. Mostly you ship blind. The alternate option is, for example, if you ask a question, will the Fed cut interest rate? So what you do is you typically simulate 100 Gemini 3.5 flash agents, each role playing a different American persona generated from demographic axis, as shown here. So in this case, I ran a case, will the Fed cut interest rates in Q3 2026? That is the question. And these are the different demographics generated from using the agents. So, and then headline rate is 3.5. So this is the position, agent, so there's 35%, 70% confidence. So synthetic panel strongly leans against Federal Reserve interest rate cut in Q3 2026 with low accuracy probability of 13.4. And what I do is I send a new shock. I say that the May CPI index came at 2.5, then inject the shock. Now it will do the shock and then come up with the new results. As you can see here, the confidence changed from 25 to 76.7. Now it says definitely will cut the interest rate. Synthetic population strongly leans towards a rate cut because we injected the CPI index of 2.5. Okay. So to conclude with that, so this is the architecture for Delphi. Here we orchestrate 50 parallel reasoning agents running on Gemini 3.5 flash. To ensure these agents are not operating on vacuum, we use Google search grounding, feeding them real-time data so their perspectives stay correct. Now this is a rapid hackathon prototype. There are a few things we have not been validated yet. Aligning our agent generation directly with real census data, deeply auditing adversarial personality stability over long-term multi-turn shoots. But the end, Delphi proves that synthetic populations can serve as a powerful computational tool, turning weeks of expensive market research into seconds of real-time simulation. Thank you.